Hey, you're looking for a quick and easy way to get some people real happy? I got you a breakfast casserole, good any time of the day. Excellent meal, everybody will love it. Let's get our Ninja wood-fired oven started up, 375. Start that baby up, get that preheating, and then grab any type of cast iron. That's my favorite, as you probably know if you watch my channel. Always into cast iron cooking. So grab yourself a cast iron skillet based on how many people. You might want to use a 10, a 12, a 16 inch, just depends. So once we get that done, we'll have the oven preheating. Scramble up some eggs. You're going to need some tater tots. You take the tater tots, you line the pan, just like a pie crust with tater tots. Then you take that, throw it in, get your cast iron skillet. You're going to put it in the old oven after it's preheated, and we want to get those cooking. So we'll put that in the Ninja outdoor oven and get those babies going. You want to get them pretty close to being done. I like them a little bit crunchy. I think it makes the dish a lot better. So cook those probably about 3/4 of the way per the directions on the bag, or you can just check them. I usually put a little garlic powder on them while they're cooking, just give it a little bit of flavor. And then once you get that all done, you just whip up some eggs, scramble them up, dump those in there, put it back in the oven a while. In this particular case, I had some onions and some ham. So I just put the onions and ham in there, let it all bake till the eggs are at the consistency you enjoy. Throw your favorite cheese on top, let it melt. All right, that's it. That's the breakfast casserole. Good any time of the day. It's always a crowd favorite. And as always, if you like my videos, I'd appreciate a like, subscribe, and click that notification button. You're going to love this dish, just saying. You're here with Cooking with Bob. I appreciate you watching. Let me know how it turned out. Give it a try. I want to hear some comments. Hopefully you enjoy this recipe.